Hey beauties, what's up? So today we're going to look at how you can use potato juice to get rid of acne scars, dark spots. It will also help prevent aging and reduce wrinkles on your face. It will give you a smooth, brighter skin. So this is what we're going to be needing: a potato, some carrier oil. I'm going to go with sweet almond oil, tea tree essential oil, a grater, and a mixing bowl. First, we're going to wash our potato. The antioxidants present in potato juice help in reducing the age spots and wrinkles. So the next step is to peel our potato. You can use a knife or anything you have on hand. Please support this girl here simply by subscribing my channel. Click on that notification bell down below, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So now we're going to go ahead and grate our potato. So sometimes I mix my potato juice with honey and lemon, and then I apply it on my face. It can also help tighten the skin. So now let's go ahead and squeeze our grated potato to get some juice. This is our potato juice. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our sweet almond oil. This is a great moisturizer. Thanks to the vitamin E, sweet almond oil keeps your skin cells healthy. Add some few drops of your essential oil. Tea tree oil is a popular choice for treating acne because of its antimicrobial properties. You can store this in your fridge for 3 days. It won't go bad. So this is how I use mine. I first make sure my face is clean. Then dip a cotton pad into my juice. And then gently apply it on my face, without forgetting under eyes. I let it sit overnight and wash it off in the morning. So I hope this video helps, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.